So I finally made it back to the mountains. Been a long winter. I'm riding my Yamaha MT09, one I just bought. I haven't ridden it in about 6 months, maybe 7 months. It's been a long time. So I'm super excited that 26 riding season is full effect. But got a little bit of a problem around here, and that problem is the police. So what happened was the riding season, I was still in Florida, started about, I don't know, a month or two ago up here, and we've already had 2 fatalities in the first month on motorcycles. So needless to say, the cops have been putting out a lot of warnings that troopers, sheriff, and the police are out and about, and they're not giving any warnings. Zero tolerance. They said they'll tow your bike, take you to jail for a super speeder. So I don't know how much fun this 2026 season's gonna be. I mean, only good news for me is I ride during the week. I live here. I'm on my way up to Blood Mountain right now on the backside, but a lot of the issues are the weekends and the holidays. A lot of the people are coming up from the city of Atlanta, which is about 2 hours north, hour and a half, 2 hours north. I mean south, what am I talking about? And they come up here and man, they just have zero respect. They'll go down the neighborhoods with houses at, you know, well over 100 miles an hour. They just don't do that, man. And then they're passing by cars, you know, like an F-35, scaring the hell out of older people and stuff and whatnot. But yeah, like right now I'm doing 10 miles. I feel like I'm crawling, for God's sakes. I'm doing 10 miles over the speed limit. Speed limit's 35. I'm doing 45 and it sucks. But it's my first run up to Blood Mountain, so I haven't been through here yet. I don't know if there's any police. But I tell you what, it's really, really hard to do 45 miles an hour. It's like almost impossible. I mean 35, I'm doing 45. I'm 10 miles over the speed limit. I would absolutely get a ticket. Sucks, man. Well, you know what? I guess on the weekends, today is a weekend, by the way, but man, I've been so excited to ride. I just had to do it. But in hindsight, I think on the weekends, at least for the foreseeable future, I'm going to come up here on my Benelli and get a little 135cc Benelli. It's got a big bore kit in it, 155. It's still slow. Just gets there a little quicker, top end wise. But man, I'll tell you what, I'm trying to do 35 and I can't do it. I just can't. I'm at 43. Again, the speed limit's 35. Look at this guy on the bicycle. These guys on the 10 speeds, man. I was behind them last year. The guy was doing 53 miles an hour down the mountain. I was going to pass him. Like, yeah, I better not. He's going pretty good. I don't want to scare him, make him crash. But they haul ass. Hey, he won't get a ticket. But we will. Alright, well, I just want to let everybody know I'm back. I'll be doing some more videos. I'm also going to do a video about that Leo vents. I know a lot of people said that I installed it wrong and it was too low. Yeah, it was too low, alright, but not because of the way I installed it. It just wouldn't go any higher. So before I took it off, I did a close-up video underneath the bike. I laid underneath the bike, and that way you can see clearly. Look at, there's a sheriff right there backing in. Look at him. No, is that it? Yeah, sure enough, it's a sheriff. And I'm doing 36, boy. Good thing I wasn't, see what I mean? I saw him back in. Man, that stinks. But anyways, yeah, that pipe was all the way up. It wasn't going any higher. And a lot of people were on my ass about it, but I'm gonna show you. When I do this video, I'll show you. It was all the way to the top. It wasn't going any higher. But so anyways, I got rid of the Leo vents and I got another Hindle pipe, and I love it. I'm gonna say the Leo vents actually sounded a little better, especially on the D-cell. The popping was really cool, but this is sounds awesome. to worry about the damn thing hitting the ground on the right side anymore, actually, or the left side. That canister on that pipe was just too big at the bottom. I love the pipe though. It looked good, it sounded good, but depending on how you ride it, could be very dangerous, cause you to fall for sure. It rubbed on me and about kicked my back end out, so that thing had to go. But yeah, this is gonna be cool, man. I'm gonna do a lot of runs over to the tail of the Dragon, but like I said, I normally ride during the week. Everybody that's causing all the chaos, they're from down in the Atlanta area, and they come up here and raise hell and kind of ruin it for the local guys, but it is what it is. I guess I should have told that motorcycle going the other way about the cop. I didn't even think about it. I'm sitting here talking and it didn't even occur to me to give him a heads up, but I guess it's okay. He had cars in front of him. He won't be going too fast. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm right at the top of Blood Mountain. Right up here is our top of the mountain. I guess I'll go ahead and just continue on down to our turnaround spot just to scope it out, see if any cops are around. But you know, there's a sheriff right there, man, writing somebody up. Damn, that answers my question pretty quick. Damn it, man, this sucks. That was a trooper pulling over. I'll tell you what, here's another thing. If you ever come to Georgia, do not screw around with these state troopers. They do not play. There's video of them actually running bikes, doing like a pit maneuver on motorcycles at high speeds. And yeah, the bikers died. They don't care. They'll kill you up here, man. These guys don't. These Georgia State Patrol, they don't screw around, man. The guy gave me a warning. It was a sheriff. I was doing 95 and a 35. And he literally gave me a warning. So, but if it was a state trooper, I would have went to jail. 100% I would have went to jail. No question about it. So I'm going to ride down to the bottom where our turnaround spot is. And I guess I'm just going to take it easy on the way up because they're out. Alright, well, I just wanted to say hi to everybody, let you guys know I'm back in town. Gonna be doing some more videos and a lot of riding. Alright, well, take care, guys. I'll see ya. Okay, so finally I got the 25 MT09 completely done. I'm not doing another thing. So I got rid of that Leo Vince exhaust. It was sitting too low. I got a lot of criticism that I installed it wrong, but I didn't. I'll show you the video underneath before I removed it. That it couldn't have gone any higher if I wanted it to. It was sitting up against the bottom of the motor. But anyways, I went with the Hindle. It's the same Hindle I had on my SXR 900. The only difference was that one was powder coated black and this one's silver, which I don't mind. Looks pretty damn good. Sounds great. I will admit that the Leo Vince sounded a little better and the popping was better, but at least I don't have to worry about this one hitting the ground like the other one did and high-siding me. But yeah, I'm really happy with the bike, how it came out. I love this exhaust and very happy. I'm happy to be back. 2026 riding season begins and back up in the hills, and I'm excited. Alright, just wanted to show you this new exhaust. Yeah, man, it came out great. I love it. Absolutely love it. Alright, guys. Okay, so one more angle. So you can see that this thing was all the way up. Right there you can see. See this bracket that's attached to the exhaust? It's welded to it. It's up against the motor bolt right here. So if everybody keeps telling me it has to go higher, it has to go higher, I installed it wrong.
It's all the way up. It won't go any higher. So I'm taking the exhaust off now, put the new Hindle on. I just wanted to show people. And even like I said, even if this back piece could go higher, what do you do about the front? I mean, how do you make this go higher? It's attached to the motor. It doesn't make any sense.